Graham Cracker Art, we are using palette knives where we don't take art seriously.
That's right, we don't take art seriously.
No.
Okay, so let's see. Here's some paint left over from when I did some palette knife painting yesterday. So I'm going to show Kevin. This is Graham here, and I'm going to show...
You guys out there are all graham crackers.
Yes, and we're all graham crackers. No, I'm a Graham. I'm a Grammy. Okay. So we're gonna just get. This is gonna be short and sweet. But first of all, this is my favorite palette knife because it has a real pointy tip. Show everybody your palette knife, Kevin.
Mine doesn't have a pointy tip.
But it's pretty long, and I like these because they're more flexible. Okay, so to do a palette knife painting, you just dip your knife into the paint. I'm recording. That's okay. I can do it. Okay, Kevin wants to record me doing this. Okay, so I'm gonna switch over. Okay, let me say hi. Hi, this is Graham. So now we're gonna do a little bit of a demo of the palette knife. Okay, so I dipped my palette knife into the paint, and as you can see, this is really thick paint. It's called heavy body acrylic, and you can also use it with oil paint. So I dipped it in, and I'm going to lightly swipe. I'm going to do some more. Okay, I'm going to make
a rainbow.
Well, you could do a rainbow.
I'm going to show you this way, Mickey.
Okay. Now, look, I got some different color. So I'm going to add this here. This is fun because when you work with the palette knife, I'm going to use a little bit of this color. It's kind of messy, and that's called an impressionistic style of painting. And there are some really famous painters who used to paint like this.
You're a famous painter.
I'm not a famous painter.
You are now.
When I die, I might be. But I want everybody out there who's watching this video to know that they can do this kind of painting. And this is all with a palette knife. Just a little palette knife. Isn't it fun? So now, I'm going to switch over and I'm going to let Kevin, who is also called Cuckoo Bird, I'm going to let Cuckoo Bird try, okay? So he's going to sit in my chair and he can take his palette knife. Okay, we're making